Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you One UI 8 launcher for your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, look at this. I have Xiaomi device and let me show you how to install One UI 8 launcher on your any Android device. Before start, I apply S26 Ultra stock wallpaper on my Xiaomi device. Simply download these wallpapers from Phone Walls app. This app downloading available on description. Simply go to Play Store and search S26 launcher, and guys, simply download this launcher on your Android device. After download, simply tap and open. Tap and allow. And before start, simply set this launcher as default launcher. Guys, after set, look at this, all One UI 8 icons on this launcher, and this icon 90% similar with real One UI 8 launcher. Look at this, all icons, all One UI 8 icons. Okay, let me show you side by side comparison. Look at this. Look at this. Complete home screen UI 90% similar with real One UI 8. Look at these downside options. App drawer. Folder. Guys, look at this, shrink or enlarge folder option also available on this launcher. Look at this, enlarge. Okay, let me show you launcher setting. Tap and hold, go to setting, and look at this special edge screen. But this is premium option. Edge panel, control center, simply turn on. But guys, this is premium options. Clock widget, layout setting. Complete layout setting also available on this app. Simply enable head navigation bar, tap on done, and tap on wallpapers. You also apply wallpaper from gallery. Tap on themes. Guys, look at these many beautiful themes on this app. Also enable dark mode. Enable notifications. And guys, you also apply any icon pack from Play Store. Look at this icon pack. Now let me show you widgets. Look at these widgets. Look at this guys, control center, complete like One UI 8. You also edit your controls like this, complete similar like real One UI 8. But guys, this control center is premium. Simply set permission. So guys, you also convert your any Android into One UI 8 with this launcher. And this is 90% similar with real One UI 8 launcher. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.